Deserted streets, empty restaurants, closed shops in the US capital. To stop the spread of the virus, more and more states are ordering their residents to stay at home. But not everyone complies. A few days ago, police in neighboring Maryland interrupted a church service where 50 people gathered and none of them were social distancing. The authorities can only hope that such attitudes will change soon as people understand what's at stake.
Staying at home is challenging for everybody these days, but now imagine staying at home if you live in a shack, in a one-room shack with a lot of people at a very crowded space. This is the reality for millions of South Africans, and although the lockdown rules of the 3-week lockdown here are extremely strict, many people are simply not able to comply.
When you talk to Ukrainians, you don't get the sense that people are really panicking. And there certainly hasn't been the kind of runs on toilet paper and pasta that we've seen in neighbouring countries. You can even still find masks like these in certain pharmacies, even though they are now selling for about 3 times what they were before the crisis. The one place that is full on this empty square is the hotel behind me, now home to about 100 Ukrainians evacuated from Bali, or at least it should be. About 50 of them are now reported to have left illegally and now face fines of up to €500 if found.
The emergency law has been extended here in the parliament behind me for an indefinite time. So Prime Minister Viktor Orban can now rule by decree. Some Hungarians are concerned that these emergency powers could be abused. But Hungarians are more concerned about whether the healthcare system will be able to cope. And maybe also about the quality of the advice given by authorities. With Easter approaching, they are now told to clean this with bleach before cooking and eating. Extraordinary times indeed.